We see it all the time, celebrities flaunting their lavish lifestyles, influencers obsessed with the next big purchase, athletes with more cars than they could ever drive. The pursuit of wealth and status is often glamorized, but what about the hidden costs? Today we're diving deep into the Bugatti disease, a term I'm using to describe the potential pitfalls of extreme wealth and materialism. This isn't about shaming anyone's success, but rather, having an honest conversation about the psychological and social implications that often go undiscussed. I've seen it firsthand, people getting caught in this endless cycle of wanting more, bigger, better. It's a phenomenon that's become all too common in our society. We are constantly bombarded with advertisements and social media posts that glorify a lifestyle filled with luxury and opulence. The allure of owning the latest gadgets, the most expensive cars, and the trendiest clothes can be overwhelming. They chase the next expensive watch, the luxury car, the designer clothes, believing that these items will elevate their status and bring them happiness. The thrill of acquiring something new and exclusive can be intoxicating. It's like a game where the stakes keep getting higher, and the rewards seem just within reach, thinking it'll bring them happiness. But here's the thing. Material possessions offer a fleeting sense of satisfaction. The initial excitement of owning something new quickly wears off, and the void that was supposed to be filled remains. It's a temporary fix for a deeper issue, a band-aid on a wound that requires more than just superficial treatment. It's like a sugar rush. You get a quick hit, and then it fades, leaving you wanting more. The cycle continues, and the hunger for more never truly goes away. Each new purchase brings a momentary high, but it's always followed by a crash, a realization that the happiness you seek cannot be bought. This constant striving can actually take a toll on your mental health. The pressure to keep up with societal expectations and the relentless pursuit of material wealth can lead to stress, anxiety, and even depression. The more you chase after these possessions, the more you find yourself trapped in a never-ending cycle of dissatisfaction. You're never content, always comparing yourself to others, and ultimately feeling empty inside. Social media exacerbates this issue as it creates a platform for constant comparison. You see others flaunting their luxurious lifestyles, and it makes you feel inadequate, as if you're always falling short. And what's worse, it can put a strain on your relationships. When your focus is on acquiring more and more, you may neglect the people who truly matter. The time and energy spent on chasing material possessions can take away from the time you could be spending with loved ones, building meaningful connections. When you prioritize possessions over people, you risk alienating those who truly care about you. The relationships that should bring you joy and fulfillment can become strained and distant. In the end, the pursuit of material wealth can leave you isolated and lonely, surrounded by things but devoid of genuine human connection.